Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to use Google Keyword Planner. So whether in the online space or whatever, you own a blog, your website, you make content, you make videos, you need this tool because this tool gives you a well in-depth search volume and forecast of each keyword. You can depend on the cost per click, the search volume, the amount of people searching for it on Google. Or if you want to run ads, basically on the marketing aspect is what I'm going to focus on. So let's say for example, you are a pizza. Let's say you are like you own a pizza shop in Florida, and so like how to use it too. It has a search. It gives you recommendation listed here. Let's say if you're out of your mind, you can't be able to think of keywords similar to pizza. You can pick from here. You can click it and it will paste there automatically. That's not what we are looking for right now. So you come here, you narrow it to Florida or your location, basically or you narrow it down to your location specifically, maybe the United States. So as an advertiser or a marketing company or a pizza owner, you want to make sure you are seeing keyword with the perfect average monthly searches. So what this means, these keywords related to this pizza, you can click here so it will show you by relevance, and you can click here to narrow it down by the amount of monthly searches of people living in Florida. And what this 3 month change means, the shows a 3 month change in search trend by comparing the latest month data with data from 2 months period. For example, if the latest month is July, the July data will be compared to May to show change in search volume over 3 months. So most times not actually accurate. Even this data right here is 3 months period to 3 months. As you can see right here, it hasn't shown January data. So this is December data. So most times it's not accurate, but if you use SEMrush or Href, it shows you more in-depth advanced data of the Google search trend. So I had impression share this for advertisers for the keyword. This also what this competition means, how competitive the keyword is. So most times you can filter by high to low, high, and it will show you the amount of competition, the amount of advertisers bidding on this keyword. But most times this kind of keyword are usually expensive. But as you can see, it's not really that expensive. But you see here, this one costs $11.57, and this one is year in year out change. You don't really need to worry about this. Your main focus will be average monthly searches, the amount of bidding, the keyword cost per click, and the competition. So let's say for example you're a pizza owner, you want don't care about the monthly searches, you want high monthly searches, but you want the competition should be low. You can come to this filter, look at click on the competition and just click matches any low keyword, and it will show it to you. So like right now you have like tons of keywords that have low monthly searches. So there's another popular tool that I usually recommend to people. Google Search Trends is a cool tool because this tool gives you absolute exact data of the keywords. So let's say for example, this pizza is there's 1.2 million searches of people searching for pizza in Florida. Now if you take this same keyword, if you take the same keyword and search it on that website. Let me just load the website. So when you come here, you type in pizza, now about past 3 months, 90 days, down to so like let's just put United States. Let's put United States. So as you can see here, this the name of this tool is called Google Search Trends. You can filter it out. So this gives you exact data of what is currently happening. As you can see here, this is 24 January. So like 48 people search for pizza. As you can see, unlike the Google Keyword Planner that gives us only 3 months data and doesn't give us January recent data. So with this tool, you can be able to optimize and know if your keyword is being searched very well, if it's trending, if it's what people are in demand. If it's not, you will know. Like you will totally know with these two perfect well. So pizza in Florida, okay, I'm not narrowed to Florida. I'm not narrowed to Florida. So just keep searching according to Google. I was saying Florida. Okay, I was saying Florida. I miss Florida. So I can see here, there's like the percentage of people searching for it is not even that high. As I can see, Florida is ranking 33, and Number one that is ranking is Rhode Island. So let's now use Rhode Island and compare if the data is accurate or not. But most times I'm just trying to show you guys the difference between why this is better than the Google search trend is better than the other one. As you can see now, it shows see what it shows for Rhode Island. And according to Google search trend, this is the number, like this is the state in United States that has high search for pizza. So let's say you're pizza owner in this, you'll be making a lot of sales now. But if you're pizza owner in Florida, your sales will not be as high as compared to Rhode Island. Not as high. As you can see here, this is saying it has 49,500 searches, but this is saying this is higher than that. So if you use SEMrush, you'll be able to get a more, or Ahref, you'll be able to get a more accurate monthly searches. This is correct, but this is just not very, it's not an updated data. As you can see here, the data ended in November. It's not even showing December fully. So yeah. And the tool is very cool. You can use it for anything. But this as it's a free version, it comes with limited things like the difference between this and Fairfax and Href is super different. Like because by clicking in, whether it's a transactional, whether you want a transactional keyword, a commercial keyword, commercial intent, or informational intent keyword, and yeah, difference is totally high. And you can also come here, go and go search partner. Maybe you want to make a maybe you want to run ads on YouTube. The search partner also shows you the traffic of but it's also not accurate regarding YouTube aspect. So yeah, that's it for this video, and that's how to use Google Keyword Planner. Sorry for the making video long. Just needed to give guys explain on basis why this tool is good and why you need it, and also why you also need this tool to verify and to give you an accurate information of whatever you want to use this tool for. Thank you.